हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। थंबनेल से आप समझ गए होंगे दैट वी हैव विजिटेड मिस्टर DIY। So it's a very beautiful place and there were lot many things to do in there, just like this beautiful set of stickers। ये आपके जर्नलिंग के लिए, क्राफ्ट के लिए बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है। वी हैड लॉट ऑफ मार्कर्स ओवर देयर, वैराइटीज़ की तो धमाल है। स्टिकर्स थे, बहुत सारा DIY करने के लिए, बीड्स रहे, थ्रेड्स रहे, सॉफ्ट टॉयज़ रहे, varieties of pencils and colors and crayons and erasers. These paper clips were so beautiful and so good. Everything over here is so eye-catching. I wish like buying everything from here. These beautiful pouches, wash bags, and this diary, I really liked it. The planners, the weekly planners, these are so useful. You can write your daily diary, journaling. Accessories की भी बहुत धमाल है। Cute accessory boxes, beautiful combs and curl-ons. As we move forward in this video, I would like to remind you one thing. Whenever you see such videos, these beautiful accessories and hairband and eye mask and caps and belts, they were so good and you will feel like getting all of them. But try to do monthly budgeting. Do not go for impulse shopping. A window shopping is still fine, but you can always plan beforehand. You can visit these places when you are in need of few things, or if you go on for a window shopping, you can definitely buy in the next coming months also. These beautiful hand towels. This blue one was so soft and it was so attracting to the eyes. I really love the blue and the yellow one. But as you see, I did not buy all of them or everything I liked, but I only bought what was useful for me. So rather going for shopping impulsively, go ahead with a thoughtful mind. These rugs were so beautiful. If you have small children and you want them to study or sit on a mat and do something, they are amazing. These anti-skid mats. These neck pillows were so soft and fluffy. They also have some hardware equipments. These cute little planters are so amazing. There's one very cute which I really like. It is this. These tulips were so beautiful to see. There's all this garden section and there is this pet section. बहुत बड़ी जगह है यहाँ पे. These are cotton pads. These are so beautiful. वॉल क्लॉक सेक्शन का एक एरिया था जहाँ पे डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड वैरायटीज ऑफ वॉल क्लॉक थे. कार एक्सेसरीज की भी वहाँ पे भरमार है. I got a chance to visit this DIY store which is there in Grand Central Mall in Navi Mumbai. These are so beautiful glass holders. Steering wheel covers, hooks and command hooks. All bathroom essentials. Hangers and few hangers were also having a velvety texture on them. I got these brushes for my son, for my family. These brushes were cute. They do have a good quality cleaning materials with them. और ये कप का section was amazing. They did had chinaware and also plastic mugs. And yeah, that's it. I had a great time with the family. I bought few things and we left. Thank you for watching. See you next time.